Advertising and promotion are essential components of a successful business. However, do you know how to get a quick idea of how promotions affect your sales? In this video, I will show you how to determine the average sales for each product on the days you have promotions and compare the average on days with promotions to the days without promotions. The dataset used in this video demo is from Marketing Analytics, written by Wayne Winston. This dataset contains daily sales of cakes, pies, cookies, smoothies, and coffee from 2013 to 2015. First, place your cursor anywhere in the data cells. From the Insert tab, select PivotTable. Select the data and click OK. The pivot table field list will appear. Drag promotion field to the row box and each product to the values box. Double-click each product to change the entries in the values box to average sales for each product. Next, let's draw curves, because a picture is worth 1,000 words. Place your cursor anywhere in the pivot table, click Insert, then select Pivot Chart. You can choose any of Excel's chart options to summarize the data. Let's select the line option, then click OK. The chart shows that the sales are significantly higher for cookies, coffee, and smoothies. For cakes and pies, we don't observe significantly higher sales on days with promotions than the days without promotions. However, can you conclude that promotion increases sales of cookies, coffee, and smoothies? Maybe not. To conclude, you must adjust other considerations for promotions. For example, if the costs of the promotions outweigh the benefits of the promotion? Promotion should only be undertaken when the benefits are greater than the costs. If seasonality plays a role in your sales? From my last video, we know a presence of seasonality for smoothies. If promotion occurred during summer days, seasonality would make the average sales of smoothies on promotion days higher than on days without promotion. But we know that the high sales are driven by increasing demand from April to August. In another video, I will show you how to perform a more rigorous analysis to determine how promotions influence product sales. If you are interested in this topic, please subscribe to my channel for a weekly update. Using how-to examples, my channel aims to teach you business analytics, including concepts, methodologies, and tools.